Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we got a recipe for you. My sister and mom saw this on TikTok and said, Mike, will you try this out and bring it for Christmas? I'm gonna try them out a little bit early. I don't know about this one, but we're gonna give it a shot. This is sausage balls made with cornbread. We're gonna use Jiffy cornbread mix instead of Bisquick. And I changed it up a little bit from the TikTok video. I'm gonna add the TikTok video in here as well. I added cream cheese to this as well. You'll see this in the recipe. We're smoking it on the bull back here, the Rec Tech. Grab the bull by the horn. Who says this thing don't put off no smoke? 400 degrees, putting out plenty of smoke. I just cleaned this thing and added some wood chunks on top of the heat deflector. That thing's putting out plenty of smoke. Grab your favorite beverage, kick back with us, check this out. Try this on your smoker. Try this on your stick burner, your Rec Tech, whatever you got. Try it in your oven maybe. We're gonna try this out and see if these are as good as the Bisquick sausage balls. But thank you guys. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. Lovey's Fat Life. The fat stands for food and travel. We like smoking meat, grilling meat, doing food reviews, and we love to travel the Smoky Mountains, and we love cruising. So you guys have a blessed day. Let's see if these are any good or not. All right, we're going to change it up from the TikTok video a little bit. We're going to use a pound of hot sausage. You can use mild sausage. We're going to use 8 ounces of the sharp cheddar, 8 ounces of the Colby Jack. We're going to use 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix, and then some tablespoon of Killer Hogs Texas rub. All right, we're going to fix some traditional sausage balls as well. This one we're going to do with the corn muffin mix. So we're going to cut this Colby Jack cheese or Colby cheese in half, and then we're going to cut this regular cheddar cheese in half as well, and use 8 ounces of each on it. All right, we're going old school. We're going to shred this ourselves. We're shredding the cheddar, and then we're going to shred the Colby Jack. And this melts a lot better in my opinion, and it's just to me a better quality of cheese to use versus this already shredded. All right, we're going to use 8.5 ounces of Jiffy corn muffin mix. We go ahead and we can buy that here in the South in North Carolina. If not, buy whatever you can locally. I did spray this. We're going to use the KitchenAid here, but I did spray this with some nonstick spray first. Then we put 8 ounces of shredded Colby cheese. You saw me earlier. I hand shredded this. I think this does better than if you buy it already pre-shredded. And then we turn around and add a pound of sausage to this. You can use half mild, half hot. You can get all mild if you don't like hot sausage. We like things with a little kick around here, so we got 1 pound of hot sausage. All right, next we're going to add our shredded cheese, the sharp cheddar cheese that we shredded earlier, on top of this. All right, now it's time to add 8 ounces of our cream cheese to the mixture. All right, the next thing we're going to add, I have some Malcolm Reed's Texas rub, but you can add 1 tablespoon of SPG or your favorite rub. You may want to add something that's got a little bit of heat to it if you like things that are spicy. All right, now we're adding our second box of the Jiffy corn muffin mix. It's 8.5 ounces Jiffy corn muffin mix to the mixture. And then we're getting ready to turn on this KitchenAid, fire it up, and mix this really well. All right, we're going to spray down the pan. These are half pans and aluminum pans, and then I take a ice cream scooper and scoop out the mixture, and then just roll it in your hands, and then you just place these out, spread them out enough that in case they spread a little bit, they don't touch one another. That way, if you're putting them on the smoker or putting them in the oven, they can heat evenly. All right, we're getting ready to put these cornbread sausage balls on. We got it at 400, just opened it up, so tempers dropped down some. But we're gonna put these on 400. It is nice and hot. I just cleaned this smoker, so the extra smoke coming out at 400. People say you can't get a lot of smoke out at 400. I disagree with that. I put a few wood chips on top of the heat deflector right before I did this, and you can see plenty of smoke is rolling out. So you're going to get plenty of smoke in these. So we're going to let these run for about 10 minutes and check them. And I'm not going to flip them. And then probably in about 20 minutes they'll be done. Let's check these things out and see how this works. We'll compare this to using Bisquick. All right, guys, we're at the 10-minute mark, and we're going to take a look and see what these look like. We're going to probably go 15 to 20 minutes, but I just want to take a look, cheat a little bit. They look great. And that smoke, that Rick Tech is throwing the smoke to them. They got a nice golden brown to them already. We're going to let them go for probably another 5-10 more minutes. Take them in the house and see how they turn out. But looking good so far after 10 minutes. All right, guys, rolling that smoke. It's been 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's look what these things look like. I'm going to pull out this just to see what they're at. 160 internal temps, what sausage needs to be at, but this has got, you know, bread and other stuff in it too, cornbread. Those things look nice, golden brown. Let's just see what the internal temp is on them. I might want mine just a little bit more done. 170 at 180, they're done technically now. I like mine a little bit crispy though, so I might let it ride another 5 just to get a little bit more crisp on them. I don't know, what do you guys think? Would you pull them off now? I'm gonna pull them off now, let's go with it. Let's see if they stay moist on the inside. All right, so in my opinion, 15 minutes was perfect at 400 degrees. These things had a little bit of a crunch on the bottom of them. They were nice and golden brown. They were not burnt, and they were still very moist. You'll see me comment on that here in a second. But when you bit into them, they were still very moist. I transferred these over to some paper towels to try to get some of the grease off the bottom, take a little bit of that off of them. But we're getting ready to try these bad boys out. Hang in here with us. All right, guys, we're going to try one of these cornbread sausage balls. So these things came out beautiful, nice and crispy on the bottom, nice smoke smell to them. I'm sure it's going to have a smoke taste to it. So let's try these things out. So there's a huge difference. That cornbread, you know, has a sweet taste to it. Cornbread normally does. But these things are fluffy and they're very moist with that cream cheese. I actually really like them. Don't know if I quite like them as good as the regular sausage balls with Bisquick. I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to make my mayonnaise and mustard mix, my Dijonnaise, and dip these in them and see, but very moist. And that smoke taste to it is really good. So, hey, if you tried this out before, give it a shot, something different. Try it out at home first, maybe if you're afraid to take it to a family event. But these are pretty good. I would definitely try these again. I'm gonna mix it up with some of my mayonnaise and mustard Dijonnaise mix and finish these things off. Thank you guys for watching Lovey's Fat Life. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel. FAT stands for food and travel. We like smoking meat, grilling meat, doing food reviews. We like traveling to the Smoky Mountains, and we love going on cruises. So you guys have a great day. God bless. All right, here's the recipe that you'll need for this. You can go ahead and pause this and write everything down. I'll also have this in the comment section. Thank you. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Here's a couple more playlists for you. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Thank you.